Looking for ways to pinch a penny while keeping a healthy garden? Then here are 5 money-saving tips for keeping a lush garden that won't break the bank. Number 1. Know your sun. No, not your biological sun, but the sun. You should learn how the sun is affecting your plants. Experienced gardeners know that planting shade-loving plants in full sun or vice versa is a bad idea. Before you begin to plant anything in your garden, find out how much sunlight your landscape has and how much sunlight your plants need. Gauging how much sunlight is needed is tricky. Seasons always change and plants grow casting different shadows. So before deciding where your plants should go, take note of how the sun moves throughout the day. Figure out how many hours of sunlight each section of your garden is receiving. And finally, find out how much sunlight your plants need to make sure they get the right amount. Number 2. Water plants when they want water. Overwatering your plants is a fast way to kill your plants, your landscape, and your wallet. Find out when each of your plants needs a drink of water. Most plants have directions on how much water they need, so this shouldn't be too difficult. Make sure to place hoses on automatic timers so you don't overwater your plant. If you have an in-ground sprinkler system, try installing an ET controller. Number 3. Mulch. Try spreading mulch around your landscaping beds. Mulch protects your plants and shrubs from drying out. It also helps to make your landscaping bed look nicer. Mulch helps keep weeds down while controlling the temperature of your soil. And if you're using organic mulch, such as grass clippings, wood chips, or pine needles, eventually they break down, providing your plants and soil with vital nutrients. Shredded bark mulch can add some appeal while preventing dirt from splashing on leaves.
Number 4. Fight invasions. Vines, grasses, poison ivy. These small invaders can take over your garden and landscape fast. You'll find that getting rid of these invaders in your soil can be hard. These fast-growing and aggressive plants take over the landscape and crowd out your plants by taking away the available nutrients, light, and water they need. Did you know mint can be an invasive plant? Make sure if you love growing mint to keep it in a pot, on your deck or patio because it can harm your other plants.
Number 5. Know your garden. Finally, before throwing away money for new plants, think about what plants have done well in the past for you. Think of your plants as employees. Are they providing shade? Is the plant a surrounding plant meant to create a border? Or is the plant supposed to just sit there and look pretty? Whatever the plant is supposed to do, is it doing it? If not, tell the plant you're fired and get rid of it. Try finding out which plants are doing well in the neighborhood and which ones just aren't. Always remember that the condition of your soil, pest populations, and available water will determine what will grow. What did you think of our list? Leave us your thoughts in the comments. And click the subscribe button so you can be notified when we have new videos. And make sure to follow us on social media. You'll find links to us in the description. Thanks for watching.